Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a website using Gamma AI. First, navigate to the Gamma AI platform and sign up or log in. Once inside, you'll be greeted with options to start a new project. Select the website option to begin your creative journey. Gamma AI's intuitive interface guides you through each step, making the process straightforward and enjoyable for everyone, regardless of technical skill. Now, let's dive into the design phase. Gamma AI offers a wide array of professionally designed templates. Pick one that best suits your vision, then start customizing. You can effortlessly change colors, fonts, and overall layout to match your brand or personal style. Drag and drop elements to arrange your content, and upload your own images to make your site truly unique and engaging for visitors. With your design in place, it's time to populate your site with compelling content. Easily add text blocks, high-quality images, and even videos to tell your story. Gamma AI also allows you to incorporate interactive features such as contact forms or image galleries, enhancing user engagement. Remember to preview your website on various devices, like phones and tablets, to ensure it looks perfect everywhere. Finally, the exciting moment arrives: publishing your website. With Gamma AI, this is a simple one-click process. Your site will be live and ready to share with the world in moments. You can then promote it across your social media channels or email lists to reach your audience. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep refining your site as your needs evolve, ensuring it always reflects your best work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.